You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Dan's starting to get the advantage. Dan's getting the advantage.
That looks really cool.
Pull! Nobody's going anywhere. Uh-oh. Here goes Dan. Tony's coming back. Dan's chattering over here and Tony's smoking. Someone's gonna give up. Oh, Dan's got the advantage. The tortoise and the hare right here. Keep digging, Dan. Keep digging. You've got about 6 feet. 6 feet, Dan. Keep digging. Tony's out of gas. Uh-oh. Creeping. He's creeping. Here, Dan's edging him towards that cone. Keep digging, boys. Tony quit. Oh, hold on. He's waiting for you to quit, Dan. There we go. Keep it wheeling. Come on, guys. Come on. Let him hear you. Come on, Dan. Come on, Dan. You got 6 feet.
Oh, yeah.
Keep digging, Dan. Keep digging. Keep digging. It's crazy. Go. Somebody do something.
Get after it.
Yes is on the right, Tony. Look, we see what Tony's. Tony, you're slipping. You're slipping. Tony, you're slipping. Tony, you're slipping. You're slipping. Dan, you got 1.5 feet, Dan. Keep digging. Tony's waiting for Dan to lift off the gas. That's what he's trying to do. Winner! Dan got the win. It is over. Shut it down, Tony. Shut it down. Tony, it was a valiant effort. A valiant